From SUPERDANNY, it's a 12,000 milliamp tire inflator. Inflates your tires, bikes, soccer, football, basketball, whatever you need to be inflated. Has a nice large cool white window and display and takes no time to charge. Everything that you get in here is your instruction guide, your charging cable, which is USB-C. You have your inflators like your tire for a bicycle, Italian, your soccer, basketball, football, and small and medium-sized inflatable nozzles. This is your inflator. You open up out of the package, and we'll show you what else you get in the box. You have here's a nice nylon bag, so you can take everything that you're not using and store away. We have a nice long size, about 1.5 feet, with your nozzle to lock down, and the orange handle tells you that the unit gets hot to the touch, and you simply screw on like so. Going over the SUPERDANNY inflator, it has a nice hose, nice and long to get to the top of the 20-inch tire. It has a nice large bright display window. It has rubber on the bottom and the top of the unit so it could grab nice and strong all around no matter which way you put it. And it has ventilation areas on each of the sides, on each side, on the front, and on the bottom, not the back, made of aluminum alloy all around, with a bright white and amber light and 2 USB ports, USB-A and USB-C for emergency charging. To operate the unit, you got a 5-button press over here. You have to change the modes, change the lights, increase and decrease your tire inflation, the on and off, and the start and stop of the inflator. A long press of about 5 seconds will turn the unit on. Everything is displayed of the unit. Everything's a nice bright light so you can see in words. Nice large battery. On the car at PSI level, you could change from car to ATV to a bicycle to a pump to a DIY, and it's all set up preset for your car at 36.0 pressure. To increase and decrease and to turn the light on, the top is a simple press, a white light, SOS, amber light, amber SOS, and off. In order to operate the unit, as simple as pressing a short press of the center and short press to shut off. It'll automatically hit the peak level of your charge at 36.0 and shut down. It'll take from a low to a 36.0, 1 minute to inflate your tire. So what we're going to go do is going to inflate a car tire, a bicycle tire, and show you what this machine can do. A 12,000 milliamp battery should pump up your tires and run your phone for a long period of time. We have our tire inflator. We're going to simply attach, lock down, turn on, and read that we're at 24 pounds of pressure and inflate the tire in amount of time. We hit 36 pounds of pressure. The unit shuts off. We disconnect. We shut down. So if you're looking to pump up bicycle tires as well and check the pressure of the tires, see how much it's holding, you have the ability to stick it in, close it up, and see if you need to pump. Turn on the unit, change it over to bicycle. We're at 20.4 pounds. We can inflate it up to 30 pounds by. And when done, simply either shut off or allow the machine to shut itself off when it hits the pressure, and simply take off and close up. as the unit has a real bright screen to see outside in the daylight, nice and large display for your pumping needs. Your SUPERDANNY for inflatable needs with a nice carrying case with everything that you have to inflate a basketball, a tube, a bicycle, a car tire. It is a portable unit that you can charge your smartphone, a camera, and more. Simply plug in your USB-A port, plug in a device to be charged, and the unit will charge your other products. Whatever USB-C products you have with the supplied cable or your optional cable, when plugged in and the unit's in the off state, will be in the on state for a number of minutes. You can simply charge your AirPods, smartphone, and more. Charging from smartphones, other power banks, and more. The SUPERDANNY Inflator for your automobile needs and more. Thank you for viewing.